your driver now?
Yeah. This one
That's
actually,
like over 10 years old.
She could probably use this as like a fairway wood.
Yeah.
I would say now, like, actually. Vivian, do you want to switch clubs? Do you want to use your driver? No, do you want to use your driver for the last bit of glass? Yeah? Okay. I was going to say, let me see if we got another one. For next week, I'll see, we actually can.
So where are you going to line the ball up? Off your front foot or off of your middle? Huh? Front. Off of your left foot. Off your left heel.
Hold that one up to your side.
It's not going to be as good as the 7, but... A little bit farther back.
But next week, what I'll do is I'll measure it and then see. I can let her try it.
Oh, the girls.
All right, now.
The glasses,
I was thinking about that.
The hair, yeah, the whole deal.
Good rip, Noah.
We probably learned something too. Well, hopefully to play with the mind like that, because then they'll play really well. I never saw a kid this young get on the first tee and look like this and go, God, there's so many people watching.
Yeah.
They get up and whiff it 10 times and then hit it.
Yeah, they don't care.
The average golfer gets up there and it's like, oh my God. They get petrified.
Oh, yeah. You gotta play with the mind. How you doing?
So where's the ball position supposed to be? The driver? Front? Your hot dog's falling out, Colleen. You're almost like Noah. You can eat your hot dogs. Alright. So we want to take it up. Make her L.
Good shot.
Pull down, Colleen. Pull the clip down. Perfect, okay? Alright. Whoops. Are you playing it off your left foot?
Good shot, Noah. Tee it up again.
Wow, that's your best hit yet.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, he's holding the pose.
That was good. Do the same thing. Stay in your good athletic position, okay, Colleen? All right, Vivian. Are you smoking them all the way down there? Okay. Where's ball position supposed to be at this boat?
In the full post as I'm flipping.
There. You're smart. Okay. Perfect. That's all right. Try it again.
Good athletic position. Wow, you don't sit it again. Straight up, straight down. Nice. Alright, reload.
Believe it or not, Vivian, that's actually where we're aimed. That was a good shot. Do you want to go straight now? Okay, so let's move our robo track.
Keep your head down and watch the ball.
Good swing. Noah, show me a good finish. Dude, what's going on with your railroad tracks here? You're just derailing.